Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a common health issue that affects many people worldwide, high cholesterol. We'll explore what causes it, the symptoms you should look out for, and most importantly, which foods to include in your diet and which to avoid. Plus, I'll be sharing some delicious and healthy fruit and vegetable salad recipes specifically for those managing their cholesterol levels.
Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
So, let's get started. What is high cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fatty substance produced by your liver and found in some foods. While our bodies need cholesterol for various functions, having too much of it in the blood can increase the risk of heart disease. There are two types of cholesterol. LDL, low-density lipoprotein, also known as bad cholesterol, which can build up in the walls of your arteries, leading to blockages. HDL, high-density lipoprotein, also known as good cholesterol, which helps remove LDL from your bloodstream. Causes of high cholesterol. Unhealthy diet. Diets high in saturated and trans fats are the leading causes of high cholesterol. Saturated fats are found in red meat, full-fat dairy products, and fried foods. Trans fats, often found in processed foods like cookies, cakes, and chips, can significantly raise LDL cholesterol while lowering HDL cholesterol. Lack of physical activity. A sedentary lifestyle can lower the levels of good cholesterol, HDL, and increase bad cholesterol, LDL. Regular exercise helps to maintain a healthy balance. Obesity. Being overweight is a major risk factor for high cholesterol. Excess body fat, especially around the waist, is closely linked to higher LDL cholesterol and lower HDL cholesterol. Smoking. Smoking damages the walls of blood vessels, making them more susceptible to the buildup of fatty deposits. It also lowers HDL cholesterol. Genetic factors. For some people, high cholesterol is inherited, a condition called familial hypercholesterolemia. Age and gender. As we age, our cholesterol levels tend to rise. For women, cholesterol levels often increase after menopause. Symptoms of high cholesterol. Unfortunately, high cholesterol doesn't usually show obvious symptoms, which is why it's often referred to as a silent condition. Many people don't know they have it until they experience a heart attack or stroke. This is why regular blood tests are so important for monitoring cholesterol levels. Foods to eat to lower cholesterol. Oats and whole grains. Soluble fiber found in oats helps reduce LDL cholesterol. Fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Nuts, almonds, walnuts, packed with heart-healthy fats. Nuts can lower cholesterol and improve heart health. Olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats. Olive oil can reduce LDL cholesterol while boosting HDL cholesterol. Legumes, beans, lentils. These plant-based protein sources are high in soluble fiber, which lowers LDL cholesterol. Fruits high in soluble fiber. Fruits like apples, pears, oranges, and berries are great for lowering cholesterol. Vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, as well as cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, are excellent for heart health. Foods to avoid if you have high cholesterol. Fried foods. These are typically high in trans fats, which drastically raise cholesterol levels. Processed meats, bacon, sausages. These contain unhealthy saturated fats and are linked to increased cholesterol and heart disease risk. Full-fat dairy. Limit whole milk, cheese, butter, and cream as they are high in saturated fats. Pastries and baked goods. Many store-bought pastries contain trans fats, which can increase LDL cholesterol. Fast foods. They often contain a dangerous mix of trans fats, sugar, and refined carbs that negatively impact cholesterol. Heart-healthy fruit salad for high cholesterol. Ingredients. 1 apple, chopped. 1 pear, chopped. 1 orange, segmented. 1/2 cup blueberries. 1/2 cup strawberries. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Instructions. Mix all the fruits in a large bowl. Drizzle with lemon juice and honey. Sprinkle chia seeds on top and toss gently. Serve chilled. Why it's great? This fruit salad is rich in soluble fiber, antioxidants, and heart-healthy nutrients that help lower cholesterol levels. Heart-healthy vegetable salad for high cholesterol. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach, 1/2 cup kale, chopped, 1 cucumber, sliced, 1 avocado, sliced, 1 tomato, diced, 1 small red onion, sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, a pinch of salt and pepper. Instructions: combine all the vegetables in a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and apple cider vinegar. Season with salt and pepper and toss well. Serve fresh. Why it's great? This salad is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to lowering LDL cholesterol and improving heart health. Conclusion: managing your cholesterol doesn't have to be difficult when you make smart food choices. By incorporating heart-healthy foods and avoiding those that contribute to high cholesterol, you can maintain a healthier lifestyle. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future health tips and recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.